Hello, our chemistry animation task is focused on the transformation of H2O. Our aim is to educate you on how particles in H2O react to a change in temperature. In order to demonstrate this to you, we will need a beaker and a beaker lid, room temperature water, a heat source, and an environment below 0 degrees. Firstly, pour room temperature water into a beaker. At this present time, the H2O is in a liquid form and the particles can move around quite freely. If we now put a beaker into an environment below 0 degrees, in this case a freezer, we begin to see a transformation where the water becomes ice. If the ice is removed from a low degree environment, it will again transform back into water. Now if we add a heat source, in this case a fire, the water will evaporate and become steam. When the heat source is removed, the steam will go back into water. But why does this happen? When H2O is at room temperature, the particles are free to move around in a liquid form, and this is what we know as everyday water. When H2O is frozen, the particles move slower and stick together, making it a solid as we know as ice. When heat is added to H2O, the particles move quicker and spread further apart and become gas that we know as steam. These transformations to H2O are physical changes, therefore it can be a repetitive process as no particles are lost or changed.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. By Michaela Rutherford and Moira O'Donoghue.